Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're doing well. I'm here to share some of the updates for the month of March 2023. सबसे पहले तो thank you so much for showing up for the mentor workshop. The turnout was amazing. बहुत सारे लोग आए and I really value that because हमने एक request भेजी थी कि अगर आप किसी event पे ना आ सकें तो please हमें timely inform कर दिया करें to RSVP to events because होता ही है कि बहुत सारे arrangements हो चुके होते हैं इस end पर and if people don't show up तो थोड़ा नुकसान हो जाता है financially भी as well as human resource को engage किया हुआ होता है. So thank you for showing up for the mentor workshop. We had a great time. Abhi for the month of April during Ramzan there will be no workshops. हम थोड़ा सा low key रखेंगे चीज़ों को during Ramadan. But right after Ramadan there is another one that is going to be conducted by Ma'am Asma. There are around 2 to 3 more lined up before the term ends and we'll keep you posted about them. But the first one is going to be right after Ramzan. इसके बाद right after Ramzan we also have the LSCE week for the middle years, not senior years this time. जो कि entrepreneurship के theme पर है. This is something that I personally enjoy a lot when children work on this LSCE week. इसको design करने में मुझे personally बहुत मज़ा आता है. If there are any parents who would like to come in and volunteer during this week, please reach out to us through the help desk and we'd love to have you with us during the LSCE week. And if there are any parents who would like to come in as judges for that week, as long as your child is not in middle years, you can definitely come in and join us as a judge for this week. इसके अलावा जो मेन थिंग हुई है मार्च में वही है कि फाइनली हमने प्रोजेक्ट पोर्टफोलियो को लॉन्च किया है विच इज़ आर new project. It's a self-directed learning space and a co-working space for children ages 9 till 16 जहाँ पे we will help children develop their portfolios through one-on-one coaching. This is something जो कि I've been thinking about for maybe I think 4 years or more. बहुत अर्सा पहले इस चीज़ को मैंने सोचना शुरू किया था एंड इस पर बात होती रही. I kept on discussing this idea with a lot of different people and finally I think we have the resources and the courage to go ahead and do it. It is fairly experimental, this entire project. So जो हमारे initial batch आएगा भी students का, we are going to take a more experimental approach with it. It's going to be a pilot and then we're going to see what are the different directions we can go into. As if you'd like to talk more about the project, we can definitely meet up, have a meeting. If you can spread the word about the project, that would also really mean a lot to us. So this project is now going to be launched in June and our website has some of the details about it. Appraisals hai at the end of March till April. So we will be conducting our evaluations, internal evaluations, and we'll also be circulating an end of the year survey. So if there's anything that you'd like to identify in the survey, you can do so. Also, अगर कोई ऐसी teachers हैं जिनको आप बहुत value करते हैं, जिनकी contributions are really significant, and you would want us to appreciate them accordingly, so please do mention their names to us so that we can pass on your gratitude and also make sure that to the best of our abilities we are able to keep them in our team. Second last ये है कि हम एक camping trip plan करना चाह रहे हैं but क्योंकि O levels के exams भी around that time है तो थोड़ी सी confusion है on how to do it and when to do it, but if we are able to really make this plan come to life then we'll keep you posted and अगर हुआ भी तो it's going to be after Ramzan somewhere around May. So let's see whether we are able to go ahead with it or not. And lastly ये है कि हम साथ साथ अपना maths का curriculum जो है at the school, especially at the middle years and late elementary years को review करें because there have been a lot of advancements in mathematics in the world post-COVID and we want to leverage those. We want to see how we can make the most out of what the world of technology offers for math. But obviously it has to be done in a very strategic manner. It has to be thought about in a lot more detail and that is what we are doing for the past some time. And again, good changes हुए, so we are going to have a detailed meeting with the parents to help them understand why we're thinking about having some changes, and we'll also take your feedback. So if that happens, we'll keep you in the loop with that, and soon you'll get to have the date for the safety workshop that we also talked about, the internet safety workshop for elementary years. Uski date hum soon release kar denge, so you can inshallah join us for that workshop. I hope you have a great time at home. I'm recording this video during the spring break, so I hope everyone's having a good time and we're looking forward to seeing you and the children back in school.